Hello, grade ones. So today is Wednesday, January the 12th, 2022. And we are going to be doing math. And for the math, what you need today is you need your spiral notebook. And what you need to do is to open it up and go to the first page that has nothing on it. And we will be writing some numbers today. All right? So up until now, in your math, you have been learning from 0 to 10, right? We have been learning from 0 to 10. Okay? And from today, we are going to go past 10. All right? We're going to start going past 10. So up on the board here, you can see I have 10 fish, 10 goldfish. All right? And I am going to keep adding until I get to a certain number. Now, you need to count with me, okay? So I'm going to add one more below that row, okay? And that is what number is that? We have 10, and then the next number is what number? The next number is 11. Now, I wrote the number 11 as a number. Now I'm going to write it as a word. 11. Now I'm going to add another fish. What is that? If you said 12, you are right. 12. And we write the number 12. So you need to be writing this in your notebook, okay? To practice writing the numbers and writing the words for our math. Okay, I'm going to add another fish. Here we go. And what is that? That is, if you said 13, you are right. 13. Okay, so I'm writing the number 13 and the word 13. I'm going to add another fish. And how many fish do we have now? How many goldfish? If you said 14, you are right. And now we write down number 14. Now, if you need to pause the video and write the number because it takes a little bit longer, that's okay. You can do that. You can pause the video, write the number, and then start the video again for the next thing. All right? So we are at 14 goldfish. We're going to add another one. And now how many do we have? We have 15. All right, 15. Okay, let's make sure we can see that. All right. I'll move over a little bit and put this down, okay? All right, so we have 15 there, all right? Now, I'm going to add another goldfish. And what do we have now? Now we have 16. 16 comes after 15, right? So we write the number and we write the word 16. And I'm just going to move this over. that's for reading. And then we're going to add another goldfish. Here we go. And now how many do we have? We have 17. I hope you are getting all the numbers. I'm sure you are. So we need to write down each number as we add another fish, okay? So we are now at 17 goldfish. Let's keep going. We're going to add another goldfish. How many is that? That's 18. 18 goldfish. All right. And we write the number and the word. And we're going to add another goldfish. And now we have how many goldfish? If you said 19, you are right. 19 goldfish. All right, and now we're going to add one more goldfish. One more goldfish makes 20. 20 goldfish. Now I want you to notice something, grade ones, that from here I said 11, 12, and then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Did you notice something about all of those? For all of those numbers, I said teen. So we need to say teen for some of the numbers as we are going from 10 to 20. We need to say teen, all right? All right? So now, boys and girls, in your book, in your workbook, you will be doing an exercise, okay? And you will be doing exercise 35 in your workbook, all right? So you all have your workbook at home. Now you will take your workbook and you will do different exercises in your workbook related to what we just did with 20, okay? All right, so the first page, all you have to do is you match, okay? So you count the number and then you match that number to the number. Not the word, but the number, okay? All right, so you count them, and then the next page, okay, you will also count what is in each picture, and then you will write the number in the box, okay? All right, and then the third page for all of these are for exercise 35. The third page for exercise 35, you will look at the pages at each picture, and what you should do is circle 10, okay? Circle 10 so that you can count up from that, all right? Okay, and I will show you in a moment how you have to do that, all right? So those are the 3 pages that you have to do in your workbook. But what you need to notice is that if I take away some fish, okay, and then count on from 10, because I know that this top row has 10, right? It already has 10. So I don't need to count each one. I can just start at the number 10 and then count up to count how many altogether, all right? So 10, and then after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So there are 16 fish altogether. Now I'm going to take away a few more. Okay. So I still have 10 at the top row, so I just need to count on from 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13 goldfish, right? So I'm going to do this again. I'm going to take away a couple, okay? And then we're going to count, all right? So I know that there are 10, so I count from 10 on 11. So there are 11 goldfish altogether. Now I'm just going to add one more, okay? And if I add one more, I count on from 10. 10, 11, 12. Now I'm going to add 3 more. Okay, I'm going to count on from 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now I know that there are 15 goldfish there. So that's what you can do for this third page. That's why you would circle 10, just like these seahorses are circled. 10 of them are circled, and then you count the rest of them. So the ones that are not circled. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 seahorses, on this first picture. So you can do that for all of them. You circle a group of 10 and then you count the rest of them on from 10. Okay? So you keep counting up until you count all of them and you will know what the number is. And you write that number in this box. Okay? So that is what you will do for today. So I hope you have fun, and I will see you later, alligator.